Morning class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will revise the back exercise of chapter number 1, living and non-living things. The first question of the back exercise is put a tick for true and a cross for false. Give a reason for your answer. The first statement is all animals move with legs. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 1. And the reason is some animals move with their wings, fins, and body. Look in this picture. Birds move from one place to another with the help of their wings. Fishes move from one place to another with the help of their fins and tail. Snakes move from one place to another with the help of their body. The second statement is plants do not move from place to place, but their body parts may move. So this statement is true. All living things grow. Plants do not move from one place to another, but their body parts may move. For example, a small plants grow into healthy plants or big plants. The third statement is living things get energy from food. So this statement is true. All living things need energy. They get energy from food. Different types of animals eat different types of food. For example, the tiger eats the flesh of other animal. The fourth statement is air is necessary for living things. So this statement is true. All living things need air all the time. Air is necessary for all living things. Air is made up of different types of gases. We need oxygen for breathing and we get this oxygen gas from the air. Plants get carbon dioxide gas from the air to make their food. That's why air is necessary for all living things. The fifth statement is when you feel cold, you wear a sweater. But a cow cannot do this. Therefore, a cow is not a living thing. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 5. The reason is when cow feel cold, it moves to find shelter. When cow feel cold, it tries to find shelter. From this purpose, cow move from one place to another. The sixth statement is plants cannot breathe. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 6. The reason is plants breathe through their stomata present on their leaves. Look in the picture. Plants have small holes in their leaves. These small holes are called stomata. And plants breathe through their stomata present on the leaves. The seventh statement is all plants reproduce from seeds. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 7. The reason of statement number 7 is some plants reproduce by different methods. Some plants like algae or ferns, they produce tiny spores which are present on their leaves, and these spores grow into a new plant. The other example is sugarcane and banana plant. A sugarcane plant can grow from the pieces of the stem of the parent plant. These pieces are called stem cutting. And the third way is reproduction by seeds. Many plants produce seeds and these seeds grow into a new plant. Statement is plants do not have sense organs so they cannot feel. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 8. The reason of statement number 8 is some plants have sense organs like sunflower and touch me not. A sunflower feels the sun and grows towards it. It changes its direction according to the position of the sun. And the other example is touch me not plant. Touch me not plant can feel something touching them and respond by closing their leaves. The question number 2 is what body parts do different animals use for breathing? The first animal name is fish and fish use gills for breathing. Look in this picture, fishes breathe through their gills. With the help of gills, they exchange gases. The second animal's name is insects. Insects use holes present on their body for breathing. Small animals such as cockroaches and grasshopper breathe through air holes present in their bodies. You can see in the picture these are air holes through this they breathe. And the third animal name is tiger. Tiger use nose for their breathing. Most animals like tiger, deer and cow uses their nose for breathing.